welcome back. In this video, we want to talk about the IRR function, so the internal rate of return function, okay? Now, again, we have an investment of 150,000 and we have our cash flows, which we get in the future years, okay? And now we want to calculate the IRR, which is basically the discount rate, if we would discount all our cash flows with this IRR, this discount rate, we get a present value of 150,000. So exactly our investment, okay? That's the IRR. So if we calculate this IRR, type in equals IRR, and here we could select all values. So it's not like the NPV function where the investment at the beginning we have to subtract afterwards. Here we can select all the functions together and just close parentheses, don't use a guess, and press enter. Okay? And now you can see the IRR is 6.53%, which just means that if we discount our future cash flows with this 6.53%, then we get exactly the investment of 150,000 at the beginning. Okay? That's the IRR. So, for financial professionals, that just means that if this IRR, right, this internal rate of return, is greater than what we expect from the investment, or the percentage figure we want, then we would do the investment. Okay? That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more. Thanks.